Yeah, so our next part three is about going to be about alcoholism due to COVID-19, people getting into addictions, food addictions, alcohol, drugs. Maybe this is a taboo topic, but we need to address this in a deeper sense as to what can be the solution to this. So, Dwij, welcome. So, what do you
Hi,
think?
Aditya.
Yeah, so what do you think is what do you think is a problem right now because of COVID-19 and due to drug usage, and
Yeah, so the thing is, it's COVID-19 is one of those times when you realize that you have to change. Okay.
yeah,
Things are not the same anymore. You can't get alcohol in nearby shops and stuff.
yes,
It's the time when you have to reflect on who you've become
yes,
and who you want to be in the future.
yes.
So, and there are a lot of people who are struggling because of lack of alcohol in the markets, and the same goes for drugs and other stuff.
Hmm. Is it because they're
But
addicted to it? The people they are very addicted. They can't uh, means they can't stay without alcohol. If they close the alcohol shops.
yes, this actually happened.
Hmm.
I saw in the news that some people have committed suicide because of unavailability of alcohol.
My God,
How does that sound?
my God, that's messed up, messed up, messed up.
It might sound messed up, but when you look at
Hmm.
uh, the thing, the reality of the situation, you won't be surprised at all. Alcohol is so addictive and it's so powerful that
Yes,
after a certain period of time, if you stop it suddenly, you start having
withdrawal symptoms,
hallucinations.
hallucination. Hmm.
Yeah, some people have hallucinations. Some people have this tremors all over their body. Some people,
Hmm.
this stuff is something serious.
Hmm.
You know,
I think
it's
this needs to be
alcohol
solved.
is
The world needs to be alcohol free. Maybe once or the problem is not. It's not about drinking alcohol. It's about compulsiveness. You see, people are
yes,
dependent. They're very dependent on it. You know.
yeah, no, alcohol or any other drug,
Hmm.
by nature,
Hmm.
it's like that. When you enjoy something, when you feel good on something,
Yeah. Yeah.
you want it again.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Hmm.
that is one part,
Yes.
and the other part is this
Hmm.
physical addiction part.
Hmm.
The one which I talked to you just before, it is psychological part.
Psychological. Yes. Yes.
Mm,
Yes.
okay. The real problem is
Hmm.
actually the physical
Physical
addiction
addiction.
part.
Physical addiction.
That is like something which is not
Hmm.
funny at all.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
When you get physically
Especially
addicted
the
to
people who
substances.
smoke. Do you know the people who smoke? They have withdrawals.
Yes,
There's nicotine withdrawals. I've heard. It's terrible.
exactly.
It's terrible.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly, dude.
Yeah.
Uh, nicotine, nicotine is actually one of the many substances that the body uses
Hmm.
for its everyday function.
Hmm.
So it actually, interacts directly with the body on some functions, specific functions.
Hmm. Hmm.
You know. There's even alcohol.
Hmm.
See, the problem, everything
Hmm.
that has the capacity to interact with the body in some or the other way,
Hmm. Hmm.
the body starts to develop tolerance to it
Hmm. Hmm.
as you keep on doing it. And
Yeah.
once you stop it suddenly,
Hmm.
it will cause a chain of events that will end up,
Hmm.
in very unpleasant situations.
Hmm. Hmm.
You know? uh, Withdrawal is
Hmm.
the
Hmm. Hmm.
symptom of that.
Hmm.
You know, withdrawal is actually the symptom of
Hmm.
what do you call it?
Hmm.
Tolerance.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Body,
Is used to the
uh,
chemical, right? Hmm.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's used to the chemical in
So
a physical sense.
yeah. So I think Corona is.
Psychological addiction is not something hard that to
Hmm.
get out of. To
Mm-mm.
be honest,
Yeah, yeah.
uh, physical addiction it's something hard, really hard.
I
Can't
think
explain.
the problem
Even
with
overeating is
yeah, overeating is also a problem. Yeah. See,
yeah,
these
even
things
overeating is something you
come
can get
under
physically addicted to.
yeah, these things come under compulsions. You know, the human mind. I think it's all about the mind also. You know, the human mind is a compulsive creature. You
It's
know,
a
like
strange
rats.
place.
Like rats, the rats, if you give them something sweet or something they like, they just go for that without thinking. They don't have a consciousness. They just go for the thing they like. They don't there's no control, because we are also, in a way, we have the animals also, we have the animal gene in us. So we are still in animal mode. You know, we are still moving towards something which gives us more pleasure. We don't have the discipline, we don't have the clear consciousness to control our instincts, I think.
Yes, you're right, dude. Uh,
I think that's the
we
problem.
are
Hmm. And the solution to this is raising awareness. I think raising people's awareness means not in a informative way, in like, you know, in a more conscious way. You know, like a spiritual process. What happens is your awareness raises, so you are more in control of your thoughts and feelings. So you are not driven to something. There's a more loose it's a more loose structure within you, so you have uh, a more lucid way to look at things. It's not stuck. It's not like alcohol, I want to go for alcohol. No, not like that. So food, I don't want to go for food. I study, I want to study, I want to study. So everything, you have a distance. All these material things, is there's a distance, but you're an observer. You're observing all this, so you're not attached to any of these things, you see. So I think
yes,
that is a solution we need to ultimately look for raising awareness and
yes, but
these things.
you also need to have the understanding of how people actually get into all that stuff.
Yes.
See, these days, movies are loaded with subtle,
Hmm.
uh, you know, subliminal messages, if
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
can
Hmm.
call that
Yeah.
subliminal messages and subliminal
Yeah, they have that.
advertising
They have that. Yes.
marketing
Yeah.
tricks.
Yeah.
Most of the Western movies that I have seen,
Hmm.
they always
Hmm.
try to add a scene of smoking or drinking or something.
Yeah, I've seen this. Yes. Yes.
So actually, the thing starts when you legalize all this stuff. When you legalize alcohol, the problem is when you legalize something which is addictive.
Yeah.
You know,
Hmm.
the people who sell that, they have a vested interest in converting normal people
Yes.
into their users. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
alcohol companies have a vested interest in converting sober people into alcoholics.
Yes. Yes. It's true. Yes. So that's the problem.
This kind of there's a corporate greed.
Yeah.
Most of the stuff, corporate greed underlies most of the stuff that is going on right now in the world.
Makes sense. It's all about money in the end. See,
Yes, it's all
money
about money in
equals
the end.
more possessions.
Yes.
There's a root cause.
The same thing can be said about this terrorists and all. How do these terrorists get weapons? Bro? If people see United States and other countries just tell
Hmm.
they say that you shouldn't sell weapons to
We have one
terrorists and
minute
all.
left. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me. Continue.
This corporate greed
Hmm.
underlies every facet of human culture.
Yeah. Yeah. This is because the
Even
humans are a compulsive creature. You know, they want,
they want money. They
crave
want money.
things. They crave all this.
Yeah, they crave things.
Is That's the root
Yeah,
cause. That's the root cause of all problems. They don't act according to what is required. Suppose we are facing a problem, we don't solve that problem. We see what we can get out of that problem. That's what is happening with COVID-19. We try to get money and we don't solve the main problem. You see?
yeah,
I think that's the
yeah.
problem. There's no consciousness. There's just the compulsive needs, individual selfish needs. We don't care about the situation as a whole. Yeah, bro. I think
That's
the
true.
time is up. We continue for the next few.